Good evening, all. It is Babbitt Two Parts Breaks on Tuesday. It is January the 9th. We are breaking Gold Rush multi-sport jerseys. It's a 2-box break from a fresh case. We randomed up the 6 boxes. We got number 2 and 6 out of it. Did pick a name, get 3 via random on the left. We've already randomized all the names, gave people a chance to trade. We did have one go down that has been entered. Just gonna double check. Make sure nothing else was offered anywhere. Don't look like it, guys. So trading closed. Alright, gonna start with the box 2. See what we get here. Pop of our seal. Bam, well, not a bad player. I don't know how the hell he didn't catch on there, man. I don't know what hell happened between them guys, but going to be a Colt hit with Darius Leonard. Well, don't know why I took the box out there, guys. Beckett sticker and card on that, baby. Y'all, Darius Leonard, Beckett certification. Yeah, I didn't even notice Roquan's name on the list. I'm wondering if they're Bear jerseys or Baltimore jerseys, man. I haven't really seen any Baltimore jerseys. I've been looking for them, too. I wouldn't mind getting a Baltimore jersey for myself. If we do hit one, I'll buy it from whoever hits it if you guys want to get rid of it. Don't think they're going to be worth a whole lot, but I do like me some Roquan. Still think the Bears should have kept them. They're paying all these other guys. Why didn't you pay Roquan? Alright, who hit that thing? Well, Nick, not a big hit, but it'll pay for your dang spot at least. Oh, crap. Grab my case to stuff these back in. Alright, guys. Box 6. Bam! Well, cool looking jersey there. Well, gonna be Jacoby on one of the Color Rush Raiders, I guess there. Haven't really seen anything from Jacoby. Started off well, man. Now at the end of the year, the young kid came out like gangbusters. Gonna be a Jacoby Myers Raiders Color Rush. Beckett Witness hologram on her. She's a great looking jersey, man. Oh man, some of the customs from this series have seemed a whole lot better than some of the older customs, man. This is a nice soft jersey, man. It's like, so it might not mean much, but the one thing I can say is that some of the custom qualities seem to be going up a little bit here. Ouch, wow, guys, I'm very sorry. That one going to Sloan on that one, folks. Jeez, I'm very sorry, everybody else there, guys. Sloan gonna take our second box, folks. Oh, I know it might not be a lot here, guys, but what I'm gonna do real quick, I'm gonna give away a free spot here, guys. So it may not be a ton, guys, but yep, gonna give away a free spot to somebody here. It's a little bonus. Here we go. Double threes. 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 times. Wow. NW gonna get the free spot, guys. Well, very sorry about that, everybody else. NW gonna get the repeat spot. If you want to stick with Julio there, bud, up to you. Gonna wrap up that one though, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, y'all. Bobby 2 Pops Breaks.